Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, then please do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe buttons down below. In today's video, we're going to go over the American Express Green Card. We'll talk about the perks, the benefits, how you can earn and redeem points, and whether or not it should have a place in your wallet. And with that said, let's get to it. The sign-up bonus on the Amex Green Card as of November 2020 is currently 45,000 points after you spend $2,000 in the first 6 months of card membership. Now, those 45,000 points are worth anywhere from about $270 up to around $900 on average, depending on how you use them. And we'll talk about the different redemption methods in a minute. So if you do end up applying, I will put my referral link to the Green Card in the description below in case you'd like to support this channel. Now, let's see how you can earn points with this card. The Amex Green Card will allow you to earn 3 points per dollar on travel, 3 points per dollar on transit, 3 points per dollar on restaurant purchases, and 1 point per dollar on everything else. The annual fee is $150. So in terms of what counts as travel and transit with the Amex Green Card, travel is defined as airfare, hotels, cruises, tours, car rentals, campgrounds, third-party travel website purchases, and travel purchases through the Amex travel portal, which is amextravel.com. Do be aware of the exclusions. The following will not earn triple points: timeshares, banquets, events, vacation packages, prepaid hotels via third parties, for example, an online travel agent, charter flights, and private jet flights. Since those purchases will only earn 1 point per dollar on the Amex Green Card, you might want to consider something like the Amex Blue Business Plus or some other card like the Capital One Venture that earns double miles on all purchases, or even the Citi Double Cash or PayPal Cashback MasterCard in order to maximize those purchases that would only earn 1 point per dollar. And in case you were wondering if Airbnb counts as travel to earn triple points, I contacted American Express directly and here's what they said. Yes, Airbnb is eligible and does earn 3x membership awards. So for all of you who choose Airbnb instead of hotels, that is awesome news. Now, if we look at what counts as a transit purchase to earn triple points, that includes trains, taxicabs, rideshares, ferries, tolls, parking, buses, and subways. So for all of you out there curious about Uber and Lyft, yes, those will earn triple points on the Amex Green Card. Now, even though travel purchases do earn triple points on the Amex Green Card, there are some more exclusions to be aware of. Let's look at rental cars. You will earn additional rewards only when you purchase directly from a company on this list of select major car rental companies that accept the card: Alamo, Avis, Budget, Dollar, Enterprise, Easy, Fox, Hertz, National, Payless, Sixt, and Thrifty. And lastly, let's check out what restaurants means with the Amex Green Card. Here's the wording directly from Amex. You may not earn additional points for purchases at a restaurant located within another establishment. For example, a restaurant inside a hotel or casino or event venue. For example, purchases made at a restaurant located within a hotel may be recognized as a purchase at a hotel, not a restaurant. But here's the good news. If you happen to be staying at a hotel and eating at the hotel, then the Amex Green Card earns triple points on travel, which includes hotels, and on restaurants. So if you charge your meal at the hotel to your room, it'll be booked as triple points for travel, meaning on the hotel. Or if you give the card to the waiter or waitress at the hotel restaurant and it codes as a restaurant purchase, then you'll still earn triple points either way. But as a quick pro tip, if you're going to eat at the hotel restaurant and pay with your Amex Green Card, then charge your meal to your room. Because that way, not only will you earn triple points under the travel hotel category on the card, but you'll also earn base points from the hotel stay itself. And as you can imagine, earning hotel points plus Amex points for the same meal is a good day. So with all that said, if you want to earn triple points on your Amex Green Card, make sure that you charge restaurant purchases directly or takeout and delivery directly. And yes, that will include things like Grubhub and Uber Eats. Those will be triple point earning categories. Do take note that bars, nightclubs, cafeterias, and convenience stores will not be included in the 3 point per dollar restaurant category. But at the end of the day, it all comes down to how that particular merchant is categorized. It's called the MCC or Merchant Category Code. If you go to a bar and they serve food and their establishment is classified as a restaurant, then it should still code as triple points for restaurant purchases. Whew. Okay, I know there were a lot of things that we went over there in terms of all the restrictions in terms of what works and what doesn't. So if you need to go back in this video and watch any of those segments again, feel free to do so. But now that we've talked about how you can earn points in these 3 point per dollar categories, now let's see how you can redeem those points. While Amex does give you a ton of different ways to redeem their points, the main two to focus on are travel and cashback. And under travel, we have two types. If you use the transfer partners with Amex, your points will be worth about 2 cents per point on average. So as an example, your 45,000 point welcome bonus will be worth about $900. If you redeem for travel on the Amex portal, which gives you access to a lot more options than just the select partners, your points will either be worth 0.7 cents each or a penny a point, 1 cent each. It depends on how you redeem, or rather what you redeem for. If you redeem your points for hotels, car rentals, cruises, or vacation packages directly through the Amex portal, your points will be worth 0.7 cents each. Or if you book a flight through the portal, you will get 1 cent per point in value, meaning your 45,000 point welcome bonus will be worth $315 at a minimum on the hotel, etc. category, or $450 toward a flight. Lastly, if you redeem your membership rewards points for cashback in the form of a statement credit, you will get the worst value for your points, 0.6 cents each. That means your 45,000 point welcome bonus will be worth only $270. Only do that option if you absolutely have to. Otherwise, stick with travel redemptions. Now, in case you'd like a current list of the transfer partners that American Express has, here's a nice list of all the airlines and hotels, at least as of the time of making this video in November 2020. Every once in a while, Amex may add one or remove one as this list changes and partnerships also evolve. Feel free to pause this video if you'd like to look over this list in more detail. Now let's check out the perks and benefits of this card. You'll receive a clear credit of $100 per year to help you get through security faster at select airports and stadiums nationwide. You'll receive airport lounge access credit, again up to $100 per year. This will reimburse you for airport lounge day passes via the Lounge Buddy app. There are no foreign transaction fees on this card, and you'll also receive a ShopRunner membership, giving you free 2-day shipping and returns at over 100 different retailers. Moving on to the insurance and protections, there are some very valuable ones that come with this card, including extended warranty protection, purchase protection, baggage insurance plan, car rental loss and damage insurance as secondary coverage. If you'd like to upgrade to primary, that is an option for a small fee, and trip delay insurance. I'll put a link to these benefits in the description below in case you'd like to read more details about any of these. And now it's time for the big question. Should you get the non-metal plastic American Express Green Card? Let's find out. You should consider getting this card if you travel moderately to frequently, spend broadly on travel in transit, will use Clear and Lounge Buddy credits, and want to redeem points for travel. With that in mind, you should not get this card if you do not travel often, don't spend on travel in transit, won't use Clear or Lounge Buddy, and if you want a card only for dining purchases, this is not the one for you. When you take a step back and look at this card with a broader perspective, you notice that for the most part, it's all travel. Putting aside the fact that you get triple points on dining, everything else, the triple points on travel, which includes airfare, hotels, car rentals, all these different things, plus the Lounge Buddy credit, plus the Clear credit, all these types of things are travel related. So if you're going to spend $150 on an annual fee, you want to make sure that you can earn back as much of that as possible. For example, if you just want a dining card, the US Bank Altitude Go card earns 4 points per dollar on dining with no annual fee. Now, all that said, if you do spend a decent amount of money each year on travel and transit and want a great catch-all travel card, then this could be a great fit for you. Remember, the Amex Platinum card earns 5 points per dollar on flights and prepaid hotels only. The Amex Gold card earns 3 points per dollar on flights only. So if you're the type of person who spends broadly on travel in a lot of different categories, then this card could help you capture a much greater return on spend and rack up points a lot faster. So if all that sounds like you, and if you want a cool card with a little see-through window on the front, then the American Express Green Card could be a great fit for your travel and spend habits. Lastly, a few good things to know. The Amex Green Card is not a credit card. It's a charge card with no preset limit. That means your balance will be due in full each month. Also, Amex allows you to get a sign-up bonus one time per card. That is, you cannot get a bonus if you've had the card before. And lastly, you can get one Amex card every 5 days and up to 2 cards every 90 days. If you enjoyed this video and believe it could benefit others, then please help me get it in front of more people by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. I'd also love to know if you have any questions about the American Express Green Card. If so, leave those in the comments down below. And lastly, if you're going to apply for the American Express Green Card and get that huge 45,000 point bonus to get you off to a great start for your next vacation, I've got my referral link in the description below. I'd appreciate it if you use that to support this channel. I'll see you all again in future videos, and until then, remember, you are great.